The conventional wisdom is that you should separate career decisions, financial decisions, make those with your head, from love decisions, relationship decisions. Just follow your heart. Money and love decisions are inextricably linked. And so if you can think about decisions holistically, you are more likely to have decisions that leave you fulfilled and have purpose and meaning.
I feel like we could do a 60-minute therapy session.
Our guests this week are the authors of the new book. It's called Money and Love.
I really wish I had read this book in 2003.
I bought 2 extra copies for my young daughters, and when they're done with the Babysitters Club, they will be reading this.
It's great how the two of you first met to collaborate on this book.
I taught a course at Stanford. Abby was one of the students, as well as the man she eventually married. Who you partner with will determine your career success as well as your marital success. When I retired in 2018, I told Abby that I wanted to write a book about the course, and I said, I need a co-author. You know, reporters are still calling me and asking, do I think you can have it all? And I asked them all, have they ever taken Econ 1? Nobody can have it all. So what you have to do is think about prioritizing.
You start by coming up with something called the 5 C's.
We really wanted to develop a framework that was flexible, meaning it could be applied to a broad range of life decisions, but sturdy, meaning you could rely on it over and over again.
People make decisions that are really important decisions too quickly. And so really what the 5 C's does is give you a framework for slowing down.
Really think holistically about all big life decisions, whether it's leaving your job, whether it's deciding the person to spend the rest of your life with.
These are questions for everybody. Really, no matter your gender, no matter your sexual orientation, no matter your country, no matter your wealth or lack thereof.
And so what we hope for you is that you have the clarity to know what you want and the conviction to go after it, that you follow an intentional process and so feel more empowered in your choices, and that those choices bring you closer to having more purpose and meaning in your lives.